Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to find the hotspot password on Samsung. Now if you want to find the hotspot password on Samsung but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that you just need to open the settings icon. So if you don't know what in settings icon is, it looks like a gear like icon. So open the settings and from here, so this is the home page of settings where you'll see various options on the home page like this. So from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of connection, which you'll find on the top. So click on it and from here you'll see various options of Wi-Fi calling, Bluetooth, NFC and contactless payment and all of the other things. But at the last you'll see the option of mobile hotspots. So click on it, and if you see the option of network name or SSID, you just need to click on it. And other thing which you can do is that you just need to scroll from the top and you just need to long press on the hotspot icon from a control panel, and it takes you directly to the hotspot base, and here you will be able to see the password like this. And from here you can simply change the password, you can simply change the band and click on the option of save like this. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to find the hotspot password on the Samsung phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.